This video will overview the steps to insert cables through ceiling grommets. Various video analytic cameras require the use of the supplied ceiling grommet. The grommet helps to ensure the camera is protected from dust and moisture. Unless specified otherwise, the cables must be pulled through the provided ceiling grommet when using a cable entry hole. Note that some camera models may have more than one cable grommet. Typically, an RJ45 network cable and input-output are pulled through the ceiling grommet. First, locate the included cable entry grommet. Then, pull the tab on the grommet to open a hole for the Ethernet cable. Push an Ethernet cable through the grommet by one of the following methods. If the Ethernet cable is uncrimped, push the cable through the grommet. If the Ethernet cable is crimped, place the grommet piercing cap on the Ethernet connector, then push the cable through the grommet. Ensure that the orientation of the cable and grommet is as shown. Push any other required cables through the grommet. Install the grommet and cables into the base of the camera. The location of the grommet will differ based on the camera being installed. Refer to the camera's specific installation guide or installation video for further information. Note that if multiple cables are pulled through the ceiling grommet, silicone sealant is required to seal any gaps. That completes the overview of how to insert cables through the ceiling grommets.